Kai, where are we going?
To the zoo.
Where?
To the zoo.
Woohoo!
You want to see the elephants and the giraffes? Yeah. What else? You want to see the tigers? Yep. Ooh, what about the zebras? Yep, that too. And the crocodile. Oh yeah, I forgot about the crocodile. Let's go see the crocodile. And the dinosaurs. Wait, there's no dinosaurs. What about the monkeys? There is monkeys. You already said monkeys. Tigers and tigers. You want to see chimpanzees and tigers? Yeah. What about penguins? Penguins and gorillas. I think you already said gorillas. So what else? Monkeys and gorillas. You said gorillas already. Okay, but monkeys. Gorillas on palm trees. Get the thumbs up and go to the zoo. I think I smell elephant poop.
No, I smell something very interesting.
Me too. That might be elephant poop, but I don't think it is. Okay, let's wait to smell it. No, it does not. It smells gross. Does elephant make this big? Not that big, I think. But maybe this big. I don't know. This big? Maybe this big. This big. Yeah. Maybe. I'm sure it is this big. Wait, this big. I can't connect my arms like this. Wait, my hand. So I'm gonna say it's this big. No, it's this big, I think. I can't connect my hands. It's kind of like a C, but it's backwards. This would be a C. Okay, look. Here's a C.
We got lucky. I'm ready for the zoo, baby. Let's go.
That is a big bird. We went to see some birds and we saw the toucan, and I never saw the real toucan before, I think. And now I think we're going to see crocodiles or alligators. And I know the monkeys are around here somewhere, or chimpanzees, but I think they're more far away than chimpanzees. Let's go! The tortoise is humongous and it's really slow. Look.
We decided to take a dip and dot break. A nice, cool, creamy treat on a hot, hot day.
Under a nice cool tree. I got some Oreo cookies in mine. Look at that elephant. See it? Hello, bucket elephant. Oh my god, those elephants take a big dump. Oh my god. Are they for real? Ew! There's a dead bird in the water. I don't see the bottom of it, so something could have ate it because it's deep, or it went in the water and then it drowned it and died and something ate it.
It's like I'm out of here.
We've seen a weird bird with like kind of a human eye, but with a red outlining. And we had seen a cheetah when we thought there was no cheetahs. And we had seen some elephants and some elephant poop. That was really smelly, or kind of smelly, but it was smelly. And now we're just racing across. Wow.